Okay, thank you kuya.
Okay, this event is actually the sales conference of Selecta for 2011. This is the event where we launch most of our summer innovations. Kaya it's really exciting. It's filled with fun, excitement, and a lot of surprises for the CD team of Selecta. Usually the sales conference kasi is attended by a lot of people. We bring in people across the country. The really hardworking Selecta sales team, we bring them over to Manila. We just give them a good show and excite them with all the innovations, with all the endorsers, all the production numbers that we have. Basically, we look into the business of the previous year and then we look forward to the following year, introduce the innovation, and then have present to them a glimpse of what the commercial is for 2011.
Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Nandito ako ngayon sa EDSA Shangri-La para po sa sales con ng Selecta. I'll be singing 3 songs. No, 2 songs pala, tama. Tapos magsasayaw po ako with Mr. Ron Navarro. Appreciative naman sila, narinig ko naman na may pumapalakpak, ganun. Siyempre, ang masarap sa pakiramdam yun pagka nandun ka sa stage, mas ginaganahan ka kapag narinig mo yung audience mo na pumapalakpak.
Endorsers are here to add fun, excitement. It's also like a once-in-a-year opportunity for the Selecta Salesforce team who traveled all the way from the different parts of the country to see our endorsers live. So I think it really made them happy, and minsan lang kasi nila makita si Sarah, so sobrang laking bagay nan for them.
Today we danced a number, an impromptu number with Sarah. The number was the fireworks number, and that was pretty fun.
Nabigla din kami, pero iba Sarah, kaya sobrang na-excite kami dun sa sinabi sa amin na mag-backup kami. Since first time namin nakasayaw si Sarah, sobrang nakaka-amaze, and kahit saglit lang yung rehearsal, and nagawa naman siya ng maayos, kaya yun, sobrang saya.
Honestly, it was an honor to perform with a star like Sarah, and it's a humbling experience as well.
Nahirapan akong gumising kanina, pero ayun, thank God, warm up naman ako ng boses ko at naaral ko naman yung mga kanta. So, naging maayos naman po yung performances.